Hi everyone, I want to make a quick video regarding what I see developing in Bitcoin and how we can go from the intermediate point of view. So Bitcoin is reaching the top of first local resistance area that might potentially create some downside momentum that basically will push either sideways or with some kind of downside pressure into this area of support that is 113 and 111. That is a critical area of the support that price needs to hold in case we see any kind of pullback from today or within several days from now. But as long as price is above this area, I'm expecting an upside momentum to continue, as we have been discussing in prior videos, to next more important resistance areas around 120 and 123. But ultimately, I would like the price to see an extension of this upside leg into the 125, 128, and actually 130 area of resistance. I discussed this idea in detail from the trend structure, macro speaking, in my recent article. So please, just don't want to take your time in this video. And if you're interested in that, you may check this one out. So let's move to Ethereum. Ethereum is also working very constructively from this breakout area that we have been discussing and expecting to have. It's already above this first resistance zone. During this relatively small time frames, it's quite sorry, not the time frames, but this patterns within a larger pattern. This Fibonacci levels tend to extend, so price tends to go over them, but respect a more larger price structure, like this one, for example. So what we see right now is also quite organic action. We have a very strong momentum to the upside. Price is around next key resistance area, so coinciding with this large multi months and even years trend line coming from the bottom of 2022. Basically, as long, structurally speaking, as long as price is above, I can even say this area, because price has already gone up that much. So as long as price is above 2,700, basically, I expect any kind of pullback to be bought, and the price following through later on to ideal extensions around 3,300, and even maybe reaching more of an upside before, but around 3,600 before prices ideally would create a more larger base to break out into the all-time highs. Also been talking about this larger structure in my recent videos. You're free to watch them if you like. So let's go to the XRP, one of the strongest momentum from this recent crypto breakout sphere. Price is convincingly heading towards important resistance from this leg up. Potentially, I would love to see some kind of consolidation around this area, and maybe with a more sort of a local copper handle formation before a more convincing upside to recent all-time highs. But also, as long as price is respecting the EMAs that are already start curling up and 50-day is catching up, as long as price is staying above them, and is closing basically above this 242 level, we are free to expect any kind of pullback to be bought and price continuing its momentum to the upside. Solana is lagging a bit, but definitely has everything to catch up in terms of the fundamental value and sentiment behind it. So I think we can easily expect price once it crosses this important area of resistance. Once it crosses it up, we are free to expect price to be going to 200 levels, maybe pulling back some, and then going above, reaching to 230 and even 250 as this upside momentum maybe before a larger consolidation. Some other altcoins that I particularly like is Hype. I also been all over it with my recent mines and videos and posts in the social media. So we are coming to a retest of this January all-time, June all-time highs, also coinciding with the first important resistance area. Seeing price pulling back within in coming days, getting some back, but we're expecting this 42, 41 support area is normal. It's very organic action. So let's prepare. As long as price is basically holding up above this support, I have nothing to doubt this the whole trend structure to be unfolding as it looks right now. So with ultimate extension targets at 60.72 area, and even above it, if we see some kind of euphoria, even more so than we have it now. So reaching even these levels around 82 wouldn't be a surprise with some kind of parabolic momentum to the upside. Some other altcoins that I want to put that I personally like is Super, that is going very well. I've been writing about it, for 2 days ago. So I love the price structure, both on the macro scale and this since April bottom. Just a few words about the macro. I think we have a very decent odds to have price bottomed, macro speaking, formed a higher low, and already is working on this new upside leg coming above all-time high levels in quite some time. So basically, we have a lot of upside momentum available here still to unfold, and as long as once the price breaks this 08076 zone, it shall use this one as the support and basically move freely to 130, 131. And one more coin that I also were talking about for quite some time. So I posted 5 days ago. Yeah, probably just only once here. So everything unfolds exactly as we are expecting to be. So we have a lot of room for the upside. We are already reaching some important resistance area from this leg up that might create some kind of pressure going forward. But basically, what I want the price to work is to reach this prior highs, start forming more reliable base. How long it will take us? Well, probably it could take for some weeks, or even a month. Once we reach there, it is pretty fine. The idea is that this structure and this structure of a pullback, this upside structure and this pullback structure are great. They are perfect. And also, macro speaking, we do have an evidence, technical evidence to expect this bottom to be a long-lasting one, with actually price following up into to all-time highs levels in constant time, even this year. So this is what I wanted to share. We have a lot of momentum, a lot of hype sentiment behind everything crypto related. So wish you all successful trading decision. I hope this is helpful. I'll be trying to make it more regularly as long as this momentum is working well. If you like, please don't hesitate boosting an idea and subscribing. I'm very grateful for your attention always. And if you want me to cover any kind of coin that is of particular interest to you, please feel free in commenting and writing. I'll be happy doing it. Once again, thank you very much, and have a great Friday and weekends.